Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find auto lock secure folder settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So as I go to secure folder and click on three dots here, then I can go to settings and auto lock secure folder. Now I can set it to each time I leave an app, when screen turns off, after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or when phone restarts. So I'm gonna set it to each time I leave the app. And now you can see when I leave secure folder, now it asks me for the password again. So I actually prefer that option. So I have Facebook locked here. I can also open it, unlock it, then exit it, open it again. And actually when it fully closes, then it asks me for the password again. So I really like that option, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.